This year National Day theme is mainly for the frontliners who are helping to overcome the coronavirus pandemic. They had been sacrificed their lifetime, even a lot of energy in order to control this pandemic. So to appreciate their good deed, this year's National Day theme is set as Malaysia Cares.
From my view of the theme of Malaysia Prihatin, I feel happy because we still celebrate National Day. Because of not all people in the world can celebrate any of their event easily like us because of their spreading disease.
What is my view on the theme of caring Malaysia this year? So it is indeed a very interesting because it is strongly related to the latest issue, which is the pandemic COVID-19. Like this theme urge our people in Malaysia to take care of each other to survive during this disaster.
I personally think that Team Malaysia Prihatin is truly suitable based on what happened this year. It shows that Malaysians can become one to fight against COVID-19 by doing their own parts.
Opinion. This year National Day is going on in new norm. So as a kind Malaysians, we should take care of other citizens nicely and together to overcome this dangerous pandemic that we are facing. Government also need to take some serious actions before this dangerous catastrophe is uncontrollable.
I think the government chose it because they want to appreciate and honoring the doctor, nurse, police, soldier, and other frontliners because they are putting their life for our sake.
Malaysia team Prihatin, Malaysia Prihatin team is chose this year because I think our Prime Minister chose this team as a team for this year is because to urge our people to unite as one. So for people we should take care of each other in order to make a harmonious condition.
The team is chosen because it resembles Malaysians without considering their races and religions. They are together through thick and thin to help Malaysia become a better country.
Malaysians can sing some patriotic songs in their home with their family members. They can also let the national flag flying high around their house compound. Parents should at least tell some histories to their children about our Independence Day.
They can celebrate at home and sing the national song at their house. And by the way, the government had provided the online delivery, so the family at house can celebrate the National Day easily and fun at home.
Action for the government and people to overcome this problem. So like the government announcing the MCO order, which is the movement control order in order to limit people movement during the MCO. And they also there are some frontliners called the food partner delivery, and they send food to our home to avoid people from going outside.
The governments and people are working together to fight COVID-19 by implementing MCO and reducing physical contacts among Malaysians by staying home.
Malaysians should show care, love, and kindness to other people because many are suffering, like some has lost their job and some has been lost their relation due to the pandemic. So as a Malaysian, we should take care of other people in order to help them with kindness.
For my few words to others, we must take care of ourselves and at the same time take care of people around us, especially our beloved one, for the good of all parties.
word about the Malaysia Creating Team. So I hope that every Malaysian here can emphasize this Malaysia Creating Team in order to have a successful country and has a good opinion on the eyes of the world.
I think it's a good team that can help bring people together as a country to rise together and progress forward to a developed country. It is also reminded us about how important it is prosperity in the country and the unity of all races and religions in the country.